Saxon Math Course 2. We're in lesson 72 today, and we're going to be dealing with a lesson that has to do with something called implied ratios. So if I wanted to tell you to clean your room and I said something like, hey, your room looks pretty messy, I am implying that you should clean it. So today we are going to read a math problem that implies a number that we don't know. All right, so I want you to look at page 507, right underneath the new concept. It says if 12 math books weigh 40 pounds. Okay, 12 books and then 40 pounds is kind of an important, how much would 30 math books weigh? All right, so we know about 30 books, but what we don't know is what this one is equal to. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a box, okay, where we're going to say here's books and here's pounds. We said that 12 and 30, excuse me, let me go back, sorry. 12 and 30, got to put them in the right category here because we're talking about books. So 12 books equals 40 pounds, and we don't know what this one is. We don't know how many 30 equal, okay? So when we have this scenario, we're going to do something called cross multiplication. So that is 12 times x equals 30 times 40. All right, so when you have something like this, okay, let's see. First of all, I want to do 30 times 40, which is going to equal 1200. So let's go 12x equals 1200. And we're going to divide by 12 so that we can cancel it off and we're left with x here. But what we have to do, there we do here, which means that x is going to equal 100. So we do know that we can get 100 pounds here. So 30 to 100 is equal to 40, 12 and 40. All right, this is an implied ratio. We're going to see these throughout the entire time, entire section here and lesson. So let's do one more here, which is going to be example 1. It says 5 pencils cost $1.20. Okay, let's put this into a box right away. Okay, here's our pencils, here's our dollars. Okay, we said $1.20. All right, now what else are we given in this section? It says how much would 12 pencils cost? Well, we're going to put our 12 here and we're going to put our x over here. We don't know what that is. Okay, so cross multiplication here, we have 5x equals 12 times 1.20 or $1.20. Okay, and again 12 times 1.2 is going to give us 14.4. so 5x equals, and then we're going to divide by 5 so that cancels, and divide by 5. And when we do that, let me do some quick math here. 5, that should equal 2.9. So $2.90. Okay, so again, relatively simple, depends on how you round here. Notice they got 2.86, 2.9. I just rounded on my end so that you can see that. But anyway, it's really simple to add up, and if you do these boxes here to kind of demonstrate what's missing, it makes it so much easier. Okay, let's do one more. Jump to example 3 on page 509. It says 6 is to 15 as 9 is to what number? All right, so again, we can do an association box. Okay, it says 6 is to 15. All right, so let's do 6 and 15 is to, and 9 is to what number? We don't know. And again, because they're equal, we can say 6n equals 15 times 9. We divide by 6, we divide by 6, n equals this. Well, let's do this. 15 times 9 should give us 135. So 135 over 6, or to do that, so we should come up with, let's go with 2 again, 12, 3, so 22.5 is our answer. Okay, all right. So association boxes are pretty simple in implied ratios. Again, pretty simple as long as you put them in the proper format. And when you cross multiply, it becomes a really easy problem, and we can get our answers pretty simply. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer.